Hi guys, it's Avas from Trendy Startups. Today I'm gonna show you how to change small letters into capital letters by shortcut key. Let's get started. So simply open the Microsoft Word. So first I'm going to type here some text. So guys, simply you have to select this text and simply press the shortcut key Shift plus F3. So you can see our small letters change into capital letters. So to change these capital letters back into small letters, so again select the text and press Shift plus F3. So you can see a text is again changed into small letters. So select the text and simply press Shift plus F3. So you can see we have changed the small letters into capital letters. So you can also change small letters into capital letters by following this process. I hope this information was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.